can I just not show up? That is a comment by YNN, and maybe baka yun din yung naiisip mo. Naiisip mo dahil feeling mo you are not good enough or pagod na pagod ka na. Mahirap yung pinagdadaanan mo, but please do not give up on yourself too soon or easily. Hindi mo kailangan sodohin lahat ng mga yan. Pwede ka magpatulong. And yun nga, if talagang bigat na bigat ka na, maybe have a conversation with your boss or the people around you who can help you and who can take on some of your responsibilities para pwede ka mag-pause at hindi ma-drop lalo yung mga bola. Okay lang yun. Okay lang magpahinga. Okay lang to take a break. Hindi naman titigil yung mundo dahil tumigil ka eh. You can't do this alone. Yung importante is magpalakas ka, and then eventually as umokay ka, continue to show up. Like what I always say, no? He who is faithful with little will be faithful with much. Yung maganda doon, lalakas ka dyan. You will become a better person, a more experienced person, and yung kwento of how victorious you are, marami kang ma-inspire dyan. Kaya mo yan.